it in the belief that it was part of legitimate police operations under the orders of his superior, Colonel Leonardo. This was under your directive in the war on drugs. Yet you said you will not take responsibility when you were asked by Congresswoman Luistro. So that I repeat the question, Mr. President, with all due respect, how do we now reconcile you're taking full responsibility for the policy consideration, yet when it comes to the individual cases where policemen are left hanging? For your information po, Mr. President, si Colonel Santi Mendoza made this statement. He is still currently serving as a police colonel. He is a working policeman po. Hindi po siya sinipa, hindi po siya tinanggal. He made this statement against his own interest. So how now do we reconcile? Where do you draw the line of your responsibility in this war on drugs, Mr. President?
Because guilt is personal. Alam mo, pagka binaril ka dyan, it's always personal.